Hey everyone, imagine this, you're sipping your coffee one morning, and bam, the whole planet just stops spinning for a full minute. What happens next? Would we all float off into space? Or something way crazier? Stick around, because this what if is about to get wild. Okay, let's set this up. Earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours. At the equator, that means you're zooming along at about 1,000 miles per hour. Yeah, you don't feel it because everything's moving together, like being in a smooth riding car. But what if that spin halted instantly? Not gradually, but like hitting the brakes on a cosmic merry-go-round. And just for 1 minute, before it starts up again. First things first, you wouldn't notice right away if you're at the poles, they barely spin anyway. But near the equator? Oh boy! Everything on Earth's surface has inertia, that tendency to keep moving. So when the ground stops, the oceans, the air, everything keeps going eastward at full speed. Picture this, you're standing in Ecuador, right on the equator. The planet stops, and suddenly you're hurled east at 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. You'd smash through walls, trees, whatever's in your path. Buildings, crumbling like cookies. Cars, flying like toys in a tornado. It's not just people mountains might hold, but loose stuff like soil and rocks. Total chaos. Now, let's talk oceans. Water isn't nailed down, so the seas would slosh eastward in massive waves. Think tsunamis on steroids, flooding continents. The Pacific might empty into Asia, while the Atlantic surges over Europe. Hilarious in a cartoon, but in real life? Goodbye, coastal cities. And the atmosphere? It's spinning too. If Earth stops, the air keeps whipping around at supersonic speeds, up to Mach 1 or more. That means hurricane-force winds everywhere, shredding forests, toppling skyscrapers, and turning the sky into a blender. At higher latitudes, it's slower, maybe 500 miles per hour in New York, but still, you'd be sandblasted by debris. Here's where it gets really nuts, the Earth's shape. Our planet bulges at the equator because of the spin, like a squished basketball. Stop the spin, and that bulge wants to flatten out. For just a minute, it might not change much, but combined with everything else, earthquakes, volcanoes erupting from the stress. The core keeps spinning a bit due to its own momentum, but the crust? It's like slamming on brakes at a semi-truck, total wreck. Alright, the big reveal, in that 1 minute, most life on Earth gets wiped out. You'd have a global catastrophe, billions flung around, drowned, or crushed. The planet would look like a war zone, with new mountains from piled up debris and oceans redrawn. Then, when it starts spinning again, whatever's left gets flung the other way. Oof! Survival odds? Slim to none, unless you're in a bunker at the poles. But hey, relax, this can't actually happen. Earth's spin is tied to its formation billions of years ago, and nothing short of a cosmic disaster could stop it that fast. It's a fun thought experiment that shows how delicate our world is. All thanks to physics keeping things in balance. What do you think? Would you survive at the North Pole? Drop your wild ideas in the comments. Smash that like button if this blew your mind. And subscribe for more What If adventures. See you next time.